Hi guys, it's Jellybean here again. I'm doing another video to show you my unboxing of this one, Loot Anime. I got this one extra because I heard that there was going to be Jojo's in it and I really like Jojo's Bizarre Adventures, so I wanted to see what you got with it. And I think there was also Yu-Gi-Oh! And Ace Attorney that was advertised that would be included in it. It was called the Duel crate, well, Duel themed crate. But yes, so let's open this one up. Come on, there we go. Ooh, what's gonna be in here? Should we look together? Look together. Oh, is that football? I think that's football. So we have a t-shirt on top. I don't know what kind of t-shirt. Let's have a look, see. Oh, it's a big t-shirt because I got it in a big size. Ooh. It is Ultraman Gaia, apparently. Let's see if I can... It looks like a really tall man fighting Godzilla. So that's number one. Here we go. The Ace Attorney. I don't know what this is. Oh god, hands are all shaky. Here we go. Open it up, open it up. What's inside? What's inside? Ooh, looks really cool. Oh, it's a little briefcase. Is there something inside the briefcase though? If I can open it. I don't know how to open it. Oh, there we go. Ha. Nope, nothing inside. Just a tiny little briefcase. But I think you can put cards in there. And it's got Ace Attorney on the front, so that's really cool. I can store my cards and stuff in there. Let's close that back up. Put it back in the box so it doesn't get damaged. That's really cool. Oh, sorry about this. My hands are a little bit shaky today. So that's number two. Let's see, what's this? Super Fight Enemy Deck 2. Are they like Cards Against Humanity cards? Super Fight game. Is it like Cards Against Humanity? You think? I'll have to look that up because I'm not sure what that is. I'm guessing it's like Cards Against Humanity, but yeah. Oh, Yu-Gi-Oh! Socks. They look really cozy. Let's open them up. Oh, they feel really nice and soft. Ooh. We've got, if I just open this out a bit, we've got the Millennium Puzzle on them. Can you see that? I think that's really cool. I need to wear some new socks. Need to buy some new socks as well. What's this? Oh, it is like what you get in the normal loot crate, but the Loot anime one, it's like a phone charm thing, or a phone plug, 'cause it has a plug as well. That's really cool. I don't have the Loot crate anymore though, because I didn't like it that much. But I'm liking this one. Oh, it's the Jojo's, a hat. Oh, but it's that design that I don't like. I forgot what it's called. It's like, does it say on here what it is? It doesn't, but that, I like Jojo's and I really like the hat. It's really cute. It's even got it underneath as well. But it's this design, this character design. I never really liked it because it freaked me out a little bit. But on the Jojo's it doesn't seem too bad. But I really like this hat, and it's purple as well. And it's Jotaro. Jotaro is best Jojo. That's really cool. And what else have we got in here? Is it still going? Yeah, it's still going. Oh wow. You got a poster as well. It's a really big poster. And it tells you what you get on the back. Yeah. Oh, I dropped it. Shows you what you got on the back. Let's see what them cards are. Super Fight Anime Deck 2, Skybound. You've watched plenty of anime face-offs, now it's time to step in the ring. Draw your fighter card and 2 power problem cards and argue your way to the winner's circle, or whatever shape your table is. I don't quite... some sort of game? I could probably look it up later, but that is the Loot Crate anime Loot Crate with all designs. That's really nice and cool. Like football. Don't really like football. Or, well, not quite football, but it's a stadium. That was for April, I think, or March. I can't remember. Does it say on here? No, it doesn't. Either way, that was the Loot Anime Crate for Duel themed. I think I might stick with this one because I got really nice stuff in it. I'm not sure what the next one is. I haven't looked it up, or I haven't paid much attention to it, but I'll find out and I will put down in the description where you can get this, what the next theme will be, and yeah, so if you could like, favorite, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.